In this video, I'll show you how to install FSR in GTA 5 to improve performance, lower GPU load, and get a smoother gameplay in just a few simple steps. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the downloaded mod and select WinRAR and select open within drawer. Close tab here and right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these two files inside a game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and go to settings. Go to advanced graphics. FSR set to a preferred settings. If you doesn't know what it means, then check my video description for this text. Choose the settings depends on web preference. I'm gonna set this to 2.500. Once you selected a web preferred FSR setting, press spacebar and press enter to save these settings. And now you can enjoy the game with using it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.